weakness somewhere. Most people know. You can't. The first person you're lying to is yourself. So most people know what they're lacking, what they're missing out. When they start to listen to you, in the beginning, things are hard because the habits been there for a long time. Doesn't mean that it's going to be easy, but they see a little result and they want more. A little result, they want more, and then want more, get better, stronger, eating less, eating better, eating less. It's like, oh, this is the way.
Back to those baby steps.
Those are the baby steps.
Yeah. And you can't take your eye off the ball. You have to keep applying.
That's
and
right.
That's the commitment. Every moment you're recommitting. It's
Yes.
not like you take a break from it, because often you'll have people who say, "Oh yeah, I'm committed." Isn't that what everyone does on the first of the new year, right? They make their resolutions. Oh yeah, I'm committed, but by midday, on the afternoon, they've already given into half of the things.
When you get to that road, it doesn't mean that you're going to be 100% strong mentally all the time. There's moments where the weakness can come back again. The devil is always hunting you. He's always watching when there's a little weakness here, so I can get him back or get her back, right? So you have to know that, these moments can happen, but you don't give up, So if anything happened, they said you give up for a second, catch yourself back.
Since we